My school's so weird. I need to go to class.
It's time for the physics test.
I didn't know we had a test today. I cannot think I'm gonna die.
To get out of here.
Teacher, can I use the bathroom? Well, I need to find a solution fast. I'm not gonna be wanting help from anyone. Wait, what's going on outside?
Guess. G-U-E-S-S.
We are the guess method!
G, givens.
U, unknowns.
E, equations.
S, substitute.
S, solve.
A body moving along a straight line at 15 meters per second decelerates at a rate of 3 meters per second squared. How far will it travel while slowing down to a stop? These are the givens. The givens are the variables in your equation that your problem provides. Our givens are velocity original, which is 15 meters per second, velocity final, which is 0, and acceleration, which is negative 3 meters per second. These are our unknowns. Our unknowns are delta x, and we put a question mark here because we don't know them yet, and force.
These are our equations. We use them to solve the problem.
It's time to substitute. First, we substitute in 15 meters per second for VO and then negative 3 meters per second for A in our first equation.
Now it's time to solve. Since we can't figure out this one, we must do this equation first. Our answer is t equals 5.
After we solve, we put 5 in for t there and 5 in for t here. Now we solve this equation for delta x.
And our answer is 37.5.
That's how you use the guess method.
Now go ace your test!
I totally get it now.
I got this.